Hello and thank you for visiting our vehicle website. I'm James Healy here at Luscombe Motors, and it's my pleasure to be showing you around this Seat Leon FR. Vehicle came into us recently via part exchange. Previous owners really have cared for it. It's been very well looked after. This particular FR has the spoked alloys, which adds to the sporty looks. It's also enhanced by the black metallic paintwork, which tie in very nicely with the rear tinted privacy glass. Now, this particular vehicle has a full service history. As I said, it's been very well cared for, not just cosmetically but also mechanically. Let's give you a look in the boot. Decent sized boot on this vehicle, and like the exterior, it's in good condition. As we can see, quite often pick up marks along here and on the carpets, but not the case with this vehicle. Also offers a great specification. So it's the technology pack. So you get the enhanced LED lights, which again add to the sporty looks, as well as the satellite navigation on the touchscreen. Let's have a look inside the vehicle. So the rear seats are in great condition, as are the carpets and the back of the seats. You get dual climate control, so front and rear heating and cooling, which is a nice touch. And again up front, very nice condition. You can see you've got the colour touchscreen there with the sat nav. You also get smartphone mirror link, cruise control as well, and reverse camera. So all in all, a fantastic example of this vehicle. Really nice condition, and also offers a great specification. The 1.4 litre engine also gets you nearly 60 miles to the gallon, so it's economical. We'd also provide the vehicle with a service and a 12-month advisory-free MOT, along with warranty before leaving. If you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please feel free to get in touch with myself. Thank you.